This is the Monpa's Hat. So Monpa people, you see, they wholeheartedly receive me when I on yak. This is a so Monpa, you see, with this head, you see, they approach me and touching my feet, express real sort of faith. Then I really felt complete safe. Okay. So that's my new life start as a refugee. But government of India give me the position of guest of Indian government. So since then, I'm as a guest of Indian government, all help give me, government of India. So I completely safe. After I come here, then at that time, my main concern is preservation of Tibetan rich cultural heritage.